Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 1. Students, open your books, page number 10. Today we are going to attempt question number 5. Before starting this question, first of all write day. Day is Wednesday. Write day. Day is Wednesday. Write classwork. Classwork. Date is 8 July 2020. Date is 8 July 2020. Question 5. Identify one living and one non-living thing in the picture below. Here is a picture. One is living thing and one is non-living thing. You can identify this boy. Boy is living thing or non-living thing. As you know that a boy can breathe, a boy can move from one place to another place. So a boy is living thing. In first write living thing. L-I-V-I-N-G, living thing. T-H-I-N-G, thing. Boy is living thing. Second, here is a picture of football. So football is living thing or non-living thing. As non-living thing cannot breathe, they cannot move from one place to another. So football is non-living thing. Write here non-living thing. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living thing. T-H-I-N-G, thing. Non-living thing. First one is living thing, second one is non-living thing. Now I am going to give you a small task. You can make a project of question number 2. In project you can attempt this question. Make a poster about living and non-living things. Draw some example of each and write about the difference in them. You can make a poster. You can also draw it on a chart. So draw some examples of living thing and also non-living thing. Also write the difference between them, that what are living things, what are non-living things. It's your homework. You can do it. Thank you students. Have a nice day.